Good morning, students. Now, yesterday we have done statistics, in that we have completed up to the third chapter. Now, today let's solve fourth sum. Right? First of all, read the sum. This is the tabulation method. Now, up till now in the first second we have seen simple tabulation method. Now, in the fourth sum we are going to learn that manifold tabulation method. Manifold means it contains so many columns to present the data, so that is called as manifold method. Now, first of all, read the sum. tabulation method में पहले read तो totally sum totally read करेंगे, and then after we prepare columns, and then after solve the sum by reading one by one line. Out of total 1850 women working in a factory, 549 were residing in labor area. Out of total married women of labor area. Now, first of all, here only one thing is given, that is woman. But what attributes are given means attributes means किस चीज़ के लिए इंफॉर्मेशन दिया है वो हमें देखना है, राइट? तो first of all, labor area is given, so this is our first attribute, that area. Then after here married is given, so second attribute, that is marital status, right? So two attributes are given, that labor and marital status. Now let's two attributes और अभी आगे देखें हम और तीसरा कुछ है कि नहीं. Now or 250 had experienced and 93 were inexperienced. So this is our third attribute. So there are three attributes: area, marital status, and their experience. Total number of experienced women has 1336, and out of them 136 were from labor area. Total number of inexperienced women was 1336, and out of them 136 were from labor area. Out of total women, 1020 were unmarried. Among them the number of experienced women from labor area and from other area. तो area में दो दिए हैं, labor and other, were 163 and 14 respectively. Present the data in the tabular form. Now see, here I have prepared a table, right? First of all, write down attributes: area of residence, that is labor and other. Then second, that is marital status, married, unmarried. And then third one, that is experience, experienced and inexperienced, right? Okay. Now let's give title: table showing the woman working in a factory according to their attributes ही लिख देने के, the residence, marital status and experience या experience of service, right? टेबल हम अपने हिसाब से भी बना सकते हैं, जो जितने भी attributes है वो कवर हो जाने चाहिए, right? So I have take a area of residence over here. Marital status, it includes two: marital status, unmarried. These are two different attributes, so it contains total column also. So married woman में experience, inexperience, unmarried में experience, inexperienced, total, inexperienced, inexperienced and total, right? Okay. So by this way I have prepared a table. It contains so many columns. That's why this is called as manifold tabulation method, right? Okay. Now let's read one by one line and fill up the data. Out of total 1850 women working, out of total means whole total includes married, unmarried, experienced, inexperienced. तो ये 185 total लास्ट में देखा. ओके. 549 वर रिसाइडिंग इन लेबर एरिया. तो देखो ये यहाँ पे लेबर एरिया में पूरा इट इंक्लूड्स होल्ड, एक्सपीरियंस, इनएक्सपीरियंस, मैरिड, अनमैरिड, each one it includes. So 549, that is labor, that women are residing in labor area, right? Next line: out of total married women of labor area, 250 had experienced मैरिड वुमन में लेबर एरिया में जो रहते हैं उसमें 250 को एक्सपीरियंस है, द एक्सपीरियंस्ड कॉलम, मैरिड कॉलम एंड लेबर कॉलम, तो ये यहाँ आएगा 250 ओवर हियर। एंड 93 वर इन एक्सपीरियंस, तो 93 कम्स एग्जैक्टली बिसाइड्स हिम। 93 इन एक्सपीरियंस्ड मैरिड वुमन, अनमेरिड होता तो इधर आता, बट दे हैव कॉल्ड दैट इज मैरिड वुमन 93, राइट। ओके, नेक्स्ट लाइन, द नंबर ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस्ड एंड इनएक्सपीरियंस्ड वुमन फ्रॉम अदर एरिया वर, read properly, the number of experienced and inexperienced women from other area were 87 and 400। तो देखो अदर एरिया, ये रहा लाइन, मैरिड वुमन, एक्सपीरियंस्ड 87, इनएक्सपीरियंस्ड 400। देन टोटल नंबर ऑफ इनएक्सपीरियंस्ड वुमन, अभी इनएक्सपीरियंस्ड आ गया, total number of inexperienced women was 1336। inexperience का whole total, inexperienced woman इसका पूरा टोटल ये रहा 1336। दिस इंक्लूड्स, ये टोटल इनएक्सपीरियंस्ड है, क्योंकि सेंटेंस में क्या बोला है, द टोटल नंबर ऑफ इनएक्सपीरियंस्ड वुमन, इट इंक्लूड्स बोथ मैरिड एंड अनमेरिड, सो दिस इंक्लूड्स मैरिड एंड अनमेरिड, तो यहाँ पे आएगा, यहाँ नहीं आएगा, वाई, बिकॉज दिस इज द कॉलम ऑफ ओनली ऑन मैरिड, राइट। ओके, आगे, आउट ऑफ टोटल वुमन 1020, तो यही सेंटेंस कंटिन्यू है, आउट ऑफ टोटल वुमन 1020 वर अनमेरिड, ये अनमेरिड का है 1020, यहाँ पे आएगा टोटल पूछा है तो यहाँ पे आएगा। देन among them the number of experienced women from labor area and from other area were 163 and 14। experienced woman, right, from labor area 163, ये फ्रॉम अदर एरिया 14, ये अभी अनमेरिड का ही चल रहा है तो इधर आएगा। देन आफ्टर प्रेजेंट द डेटा इन टैबुलर फॉर्म, राइट। सो नाउ वी फिल अप द रिमेनिंग डेटा बाय मेकिंग टोटल और बाय सब्सट्रैक्टिंग द दैट डेटा। Okay, now first of all let us start from here, the 250 plus 93, so total comes 343, then 87 plus 400 comes 487, right। now this is the total, तो ये सबका टोटल करके यहाँ लिख दे तो फर्स्ट इतना कॉलम ओवर हो जाए। now 343 plus 487 comes 830, this is 493, and total of this comes 337, right। okay, अभी what, now let's अभी यहाँ का सॉल्व करें, यहाँ का, that this is total minus this comes this, so 1336 minus 136 comes 1200, 1850 minus 549 comes 1301। now this is the total में से इनएक्सपीरियंस लेस कर देंगे तो एक्सपीरियंस 1850 minus 1336, that comes 1514, this minus this comes 101, this minus this 549 minus 136 comes 41, and ये ऊपर लिख दिया है, चलेगा, आप समझ लेना, 413। now this, अभी ये कैसे लिखें, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स मेक टोटल ऑफ दिस, 163 plus 14 comes 177, This is total, so total minus experience comes inexperience, so 1020 minus 177 comes 843. 843. Now what about this here? कोई भी information नहीं है, but we have this information, this, right? So this from this information we can fill up this information. अभी ये देखो, this is the total inexperience, this is merit inexperience, so total minus this comes this, so 1200 minus 400 comes 800, right? बस एक मिल गया तो दूसरा ऑटोमेटिक मिल जाएगा, दैट 843 minus 800 comes 43. Total of this 2 comes this, 3 plus 3 6, 0 1 2 206. 1020 minus 206 comes 8 1 and 4, right? So this is how we can solve. This is our that manifold tabulation method. You write down this sum by pausing this video, right? Okay, now let's start the next sum number 5. Sum number 5. There were 1250 skilled and unskilled workers in a private company. So this is the first attribute, skilled and unskilled. Then year is given 2011. There were 220 female workers. Female है तो male भी होंगे. So that is our second attributes, gender, male and female. 140 were skilled in 2012. 11 comes, 12 comes. So third attributes, that is year. So there are 3 attributes: skilled, unskilled, मेल फीमेल जेंडर एंड ईयर 2011-12, फिर आगे जितने दिए उतना. द नंबर ऑफ स्किल्ड वर्कर्स वर 1475, 1300 वर मेल, 250 अनस्किल्ड वर्कर्स, 200 मेल्स. 2013 देयर वर 1700 स्किल्स एंड 50 अनस्किल्ड वर्कर्स. आउट ऑफ टोटल वर्कर्स 250 were females, of them 240 were skilled. In the year 14 there were 2000 workers and of them 2% were unskilled. Out of total workers 300 were females and them 10 were unskilled. Present the data in the form of table. Right, now let's prepare table. Okay, now see table I have prepared. Attributes are written: year 2011, 12, 13, 14. Then that skilled, unskilled included in the training, skilled, unskilled, and then gender, male, female. Now then give heading. Heading is very important to write down. Table showing the number of workers during the year 2011 to 14 according to the training and gender. Right? Table you can prepare according to you. I have prepared this table according to my convenience. Right? You can keep year over here, skilled, unskilled over here, male, female over here, right? You can adjust this according to your convenience, but data should present in a proper table. Okay, let's start solving this sum by there were 1250 skilled and 400 unskilled workers in a private company. So let's write down total, that is, यहाँ पे देखो सिर्फ ये हॉरिजॉन्टल ही टोटल का कॉलम आएगा, नीचे वर्टिकल कॉलम टोटल का नहीं आएगा भाई, बिकॉज ये सेपरेट ईयर्स आर गिवन. इफ़ यू वांट टू ऐड you can add, right? There is no wrong in that, but your separate years information is given, so I have not prepared a table of total. If you want to, you can. Now there were 1250 skilled, तो ये total 1250 skilled and total 400 unskilled. टोटल बोला है इसलिए हम टोटल में ही लिखेंगे, राइट? आगे there were 220 female workers, of them तो देखो टोटल में से 220 फीमेल वर्कर्स, वन 140 were skilled, 140 were unskilled, sorry, 140 were unskilled, तो 140 were unskilled. Then In the year 2012, the number of skilled workers were 1475. Number of skilled workers in the 2012, so total 1475. Then end of them 1300 were male. 1300 were male. इसमें से 1300 were male. So in the column of male. Then out of 250 unskilled workers, 200 were males. In the year 2012, 250 total workers are there unskilled. From these, 200 were males. Then in 2013, there were 1700 skilled and 50 unskilled. In the year 2013, 17 skilled and 50 unskilled. Then out of total workers, 250 were females of them 240 were skilled. Out of 240 female, total female in the year 2013, that is 250. From this 250, 240 were skilled. So this is the column of skilled and female. So 240. Then in the year 14, there were 2000 students in the year 14. So this is the 14. Total number of workers 2000. So this is the column of total. So 2000. 2% were unskilled. 2% were unskilled. So 2000 2% comes 40. तो ये यहाँ पे आएगा टोटल में इधर. Out of total workers, last line, out of total workers, 300 were female of them. It is not specified that skilled and unskilled, so we write down that in the total. So 3000 में से 200 that is female and 10 were unskilled. So now it is specified that 10 were unskilled females. So in the column of unskilled, write down 10. Present the data in the above table, right? So now we fill up blank spaces by subtracting and adding the values. Okay, now let's start addition and subtracting. Okay, let's start from the first table. 1475 minus 1300 comes 175, right? Okay, this two. 1700 minus 240 comes 1460. Now here we cannot make total of this, right, in this standing line. Why? Because here single years information is given, so we cannot make total. हमें इधर से ही वर्किंग करना पड़ेगा ऐसे. ओके, अभी ये जो आपको दिखे वो सॉल्व करते जाएंगे. The 40 minus 10 comes 30. Then this we cannot solve because these two informations are not given. We can solve this. 250 minus 200 comes 50. 400 minus 140 comes 260. Right? Okay. Then this. This is our total. Total means whole. These two columns, that is this total. तो अगर यहाँ पे information नहीं है, so we can take it from here only. From total, this we have to subtract and we get this. But if we do not have this, then we make total of these two, so we get this, right? Okay. So first of all, we solve this. 1300 plus 1200 comes 1500. Then 175 plus 50 comes 225. This is total male female. This comes 17. This is 1725, right? 5. This is 5. 1725. Now this one. ये ले लीजिए. 250 minus 240 comes 10. 50 minus 10 comes 40, right? अभी ये this is total, तो ये दो ले ले. 1460 plus 40 comes 1500. Now total 1500 plus 250 comes 1750, right? Okay, this one. Now female, this one is also female, so we can get this female, that 220 minus 140 comes 80, so ये 80, 250 minus 80, or 250, sorry, 1250 minus 80 comes 1170. Which one is left? This one is left. Total 1170 plus 260 comes 1430, right? Now total 1430 plus 220 comes 1650. Now this one is left. 2000 minus 300 comes 1700. Now this last one, that is only left. Total दोनों का total 2000 minus 40 comes 1960, right? Okay, then this male and this male, 1730 plus 30, 1730 minus 30, not plus, minus 30 comes 1670, 1960 minus 1670 comes 290, इस तरह से, right? So this is how we can solve this manifold tabular method. You write down this sum by pausing this video, right? Okay, now today I will give one homework. See the homework, last exercise, page number 63, sum number 7, 8 and 9. These three sums are in homework. Practice this yourself. If you have any queries, you can ask. So sum number 7, 8 and 9. Sorry, 9, 7, 8 and 9. These three sums are in homework. Exercise 2, section E, sum number 7, 8 and 9, that are in homework, right? Okay, that's all for today.